Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter FastBoot mode on this device. So firstly, you just have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the third option, enter fastboot. And after that, you will end up in the fastboot mode. So, if you want to exit this mode, you have 4 different options. You can select the first option, reboot system now, just restart your device. You can select enter recovery, just go to the previous menu. You can reboot to the bootloader, or you can just power off your device. So let's select the first option, reboot system now, and just restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.